Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This video was sponsored by Unice Hair Official. Notepads. They just sent your girl a mirror. HD wig caps. Elastic band. Lashes. Makeup brush. They didn't send me a robe. So let's put this on. Here's what the hairline looks like. Come on. This hair is really soft. Minimum shedding. Two combs in the front, one in the back with elastic band. This comes with a breathable cap. This is Unice Wear & Go 6x4 pre-cut lace honey blonde curly air wig. I got it in length 20 inches, 150% density. The price is $190. This wig install and styling is about to be 3 minutes. It's very super easy to install, beginner friendly, wear and go. I'm about to use the lace tint spray.
Release your anger, release your eye, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress, release your love.
Where is the lace?
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no try. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then off past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul.
Use your hot comb, flatten it out.
Everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the trade, release the stress, release your love, forget the rest.
I'm gonna down my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. He is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The wings in the front and the domes in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I'm trying me a new foundation, yeah. Bringing my new salvation.
Here's what the wig looks like when it's wet. All I'm about to do is throw this on.
My soul, you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. And I'm telling everybody, 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 yeah.
the color of this wig. I love the lace. As y'all can see, it's secure. It's not going nowhere. Still glueless. Rate this hair 10 out of 10.
Break my soul.